Yo, what's up, you guys? So, you're probably running leads, probably running ads to generate leads for your business, or you're getting them organic, or you're doing SEO. Probably have an agency like mine running them for you, or you're trying to do it on your own. Who cares? But you're getting leads for your business, right? That's the most important part. Leads are the lifeblood of any business. Without new sales, you don't have a business, right? Nobody knows you. You're not reaching new people. It's kind of pointless. So today's video, I'm going to go over how long you should wait to follow up with leads in today's digital age. Now, this is going to shock you. A lot of people wait way too long. We work with clients in our agency, all sorts of different types of clients, but primarily contractors and home service professionals. And sometimes we hear them, hey, the leads aren't that good. And my first question is, how long are you or your salespeople waiting to follow up with them? Are you responding to them immediately? Oh no, they get back to them within a couple hours or within an hour. And I'm like, wow, you are literally leaving money on the table. You're throwing money away if you're not following up with these leads effectively. Let me get into that, and I'll show you exactly what the steps are, what you need to do to maximize every single dollar in ad spend and every single dollar in marketing and advertising that you put out there to grow your business effectively. We're doing this every single day. We're generating thousands of leads a month for our clients, and we're absolutely crushing it. So pay attention. This will definitely help your business this year. So HubSpot says the best response for following up with leads is within 10 minutes, which is fine. If you can do 10 minutes, that's great. I like 5 minutes, anywhere between instantly to 5 minutes. That's where I find that's the most effective way to follow up with people within that time frame. And the lead management study, according to HubSpot again, saw a 400% decrease in odds of qualifying leads when reps waited 10 minutes or more to follow up. Could you imagine that? If you wait more than 10 minutes to follow up, they saw a 400% decrease in odds of qualifying leads. What's that mean? There's so much information being thrown at us today. In this digital world that we live in, people are seeing so many ads. People are seeing so many different social media posts. They're seeing so many blogs. So many emails that people forget. I've actually dealt with people that go, even if you call them back within a couple of minutes, I don't remember signing up for that. It doesn't happen all the time. Most people will remember, but people, clients tell me all the time, hey, these leads are garbage because, people say they didn't sign up for it. I'm like, how long did you wait? Well, we followed up the next day. No. You got to stop doing that. If you value your business and you really take it seriously as a business owner and your salespeople are sales professionals, you've got to call back. I say within first 1 to 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay. And now just calling back isn't enough. How to maximize every single penny that you spend for leads. Follow up within the first 5 minutes, multiple touches. What's that mean? Email, call, and text. Don't just call them and say, oh, okay, that's it. Call, leave a voicemail, send an email, and have a text message go out. Literally, bam, 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 one right after the other. Ideally, you should have an automatic email that goes out immediately when somebody signs up on a landing page or your website or whatever, just immediately getting zapped over to them. So multiple touches, email, call, and text. Always leave a voicemail. Some people in today's day and age are scared of leaving voicemails, and that's horrible. You need to leave a voicemail because that's one extra touch. Hey, this is so-and-so. This is Mr. Johnson with XYZ Company. You called, you showed that you were interested. What's the best time to get a hold of you at? Let me know. Give me a call back. Blah, 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 blah. Give me a call back. Something basic, simple, to the point. Always leave a voicemail. And then, if people don't pick up the first time and you don't get in contact with them the first time, don't let that lead die. It takes 8 to 12 touches. 8 to 12 touches. Don't give up too soon. Send multiple emails, multiple callbacks, multiple voicemails. You paid for that lead. Don't just give up on it if they didn't pick up off the first phone call. And then one thing that really is going to take it to the next level. You're doing all this. You're touching them multiple times. You're leaving an email, a call, and a text message, and leaving a voicemail. And you're going back 8 to 12 touches to make sure that you're following up with them appropriately. But once you do get them on the phone, do you have an appointment setting script that you follow when you're following up with them? Does your salesperson or your front desk person have an actual proven appointment setting script that knows how to actually pre-qualify them on the call and make sure that you're not wasting your time? Let's say you're a painter, or that you're a general contractor going in for a bathroom remodel, and you're setting up an appointment. Are you pre-qualifying them, making sure that both decision makers are there before you go into your estimate, to make sure that both people that are going to be saying, yes, let's move forward with this, that yes, let's go ahead and sign a check and make this happen. Make sure that both people are going to be there. Now, it's not going to be guaranteed 100% every single time, but if you could do it 99% of the time, just asking simple questions and pre-qualifying people with a proven appointment setting script, wouldn't that help you out? That's something that we give to our clients. We give them our appointment setting script and we say, hey, this is what we want your salespeople to follow. Takes them through it. It's 10 strategically placed sentences that literally says, hey, are both decision makers going to be there for the call, for the appointment, just to make sure that you're not wasting your time, you're not wasting your salespeople's time, and you're maximizing every working hour. So if this is something that you think you need help with, that you need more leads, you need to be coached on how to actually follow up with them, or you just want to blow up your business and get a ton of leads coming into it, make sure you go to serbantenterprise.com, click the link below. Going over one of our case studies, showing exactly how we did it and how we do this day in and day out and generate fantastic results for our clients. Make sure that you're getting on board, that you're growing your business, and you're not waiting for your competition to steal your lunch monies. Like always, Dorian here. Pleasure. Talk soon.